tremors in my fingers, I just can't rest. Every cut a confession, every groove a test. Wood whisper secrets, I'm prying them free. A tree trunk screaming, becoming deity. Stains drip crimson, soaking my breath. Paint fumes rising, courting my death. Sandpaper chorus, rough like my throat. Sweat streaks the grain, a laboring oath. Carve the stone, carve the stone. Break the flesh, reshape the bone. From bark to stone, I'm in the zone. Bloodied hands, but I'm not alone.
I changed my mind about the adding a little bit of color. Oh, it's kind of, I might have to take a different video because it is so bright outside that I don't know if this is showing up. But that's, I do love doing the sandstone. It's the coolest looking rock. And then, so basically all that's left is I got a polyurethane, and this I'm gonna paint dark brown.